is a protagonist from Moldova, and everything turns around her in this film. For the beginning, Ion, I would like to ask you, just in a nutshell, can you just repeat what is the film about? But maybe those who didn't see the film, but just to give us a little bit of insight.
Yeah, it works. Well, the film is about Elena, this charismatic woman from Reisa's village. We follow her for 7 years, and we observe how from a community organizer and a soul of her village, she decides to step in and to run for the competition to become the local mayor. But yeah, the nets of the local politics are not easy in the rural Moldova, and also the environment and home, I would say, is also not very supportive towards her. So she has to overcome all these social elements and local cultural elements. She's the youngest from her brothers, and according to the tradition, it's a Balkan tradition. When we met for the first time, 2019, we were pitching it as a Moldovan tradition, but you said that it's very common to the Balkan area. The youngest kid must stay at home with their parents to take care and to inherit the house, by that sacrificing their dreams, their plans, and so on. So this is the film.
Mm-hmm. And the title, Electing Miss Santa, can you just tell us why this title?
We didn't have a good title. we got it during a workshop, and we had some other versions, but none of them translated into.
It's a good title.
Yeah, and as long we couldn't find a better one, and we don't have a Romanian title, by the way, because we worked for a year, and we basically we couldn't manage to find something that represents the spirit, and we decided that it will stay like this.
Well, Elena is working as a Santa in her village. Every year giving the presents to people and to make them happy for New Year.
We also have this tradition that during New Year's Eve, the grandfather of the family would come to give gifts. It's a known tradition here as well, probably. But in Reisa's village, no man wanted to do that. So it is Elena who took this role, and she did that for 18 years. And it was also a way, because during the year she involves the children of the village in different volunteering activities. So at the end of the year she would go with gifts to these children to kind of reward them for that. So what started as a process of rewarding, it became an identity. So now if you are looking for a female Santa in Moldova, definitely Elena would appear among the first ones. And she's known as that, it's part of her identity.
Reisa, can you just a little bit elaborate on your approach? First of all, you had to become very close to Elena to understand what she's doing, and that she would also agree, and her aged mother, now late mother, to be in the film. And I mean, the whole film is a huge family drama as well, so it's not only social drama, it's also a big family drama. So you are there with your camera and we don't feel you. Can you elaborate about your approach?
The fact that we are from the same village helped a lot, and the fact that we knew each other for a long time before the film started. This helped, and also helped the fact that Ioan is my husband. And this trust between us was a big point. And when we started, I observed the fact that when we are together in their home, in their environment, there could be some changes in their behavior. And we started and we talked a lot, me and Ioan, how to do and what to do in order to capture these natural things in their life.